The $500 a day blueprint, your 2024 guide to online success. Look, I get it. You're tired of the 9-to-5 grind. You see those screenshots of people making money online and you think, that could be me. And you know what? You're right. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through the exact blueprint I use to make $500 per day online. We're talking about a proven system that anyone can replicate, even if you're starting from scratch. No fancy tech skills needed, no huge investments, just your hustle and this roadmap to success. So, if you're ready to ditch the soul-crushing commute, escape the rat race, and start building the life you deserve, buckle up. This is your year. Okay, so you're ready to conquer the online world and start raking in that sweet, sweet cash. But hold your horses. Before you dive headfirst into the deep end, we need to lay the groundwork. And that starts with finding your niche. Now you might be thinking, niche, what's that? Simply put, it's your area of focus, your online stomping ground. It's where your passion meets market demand. Because here's the thing, trying to be everything to everyone is a recipe for disaster. You'll spread yourself too thin, your message will get lost in the noise, and you'll end up with crickets instead of customers. Instead, you need to laser focus on a specific audience with specific needs that you can solve. Think about it like this. Would you rather be a small fish in a big pond competing with thousands of others for scraps? Or would you rather be a big fish in a small pond where you're the go-to expert, the top dog? Exactly. So how do you find this golden niche? It's all about identifying your passions, interests, and skills. What are you naturally good at? What do you enjoy talking about for hours on end? What problems can you solve for others? Once you have a few ideas, it's time to do some research. Head over to Google Trends, browse relevant subreddits, and check out the competition on YouTube and social media. Are people searching for information in this niche? Are there products or services being sold? If the answer is yes, you might be onto something. Remember, the goal is to find a niche that's profitable but also something you're genuinely interested in. Because trust me, when you're passionate about what you do, it stops feeling like work. And that, my friends, is the key to long-term success and fulfillment. Alright, you found your niche, you're fired up, ready to take on the world. But before you hit that publish button, there's one crucial element we need to discuss: your personal brand. Now I know what you're thinking. Personal brand? I'm not some big shot CEO, I'm just a regular person trying to make some money online. And that's exactly the point. In today's digital landscape, building a strong personal brand is no longer optional, it's essential. It's about establishing yourself as an authority in your niche, someone people know, like, and trust. It's about differentiating yourself from the competition and creating a loyal following that resonates with your message. Think about your favorite YouTubers, bloggers, or online entrepreneurs. What is it about them that draws you in? Is it their personality, their expertise, their unique perspective? Whatever it is, it's all part of their personal brand. So how do you build a brand that stands out from the crowd? It starts with consistency. Choose a memorable username, profile picture, and color scheme that aligns with your niche and stick with it across all platforms. Next, craft a compelling bio that highlights your expertise and what you bring to the table. Don't be afraid to inject some personality into it. People connect with people, not robots. But most importantly, be authentic. Don't try to be someone you're not or pretend to be an expert in something you're not. People can spot a fake a mile away. Be yourself, share your story, and let your passion shine through. Remember, building a strong personal brand takes time and effort. It's not a one-time thing, it's an ongoing process. But trust me, the rewards are well worth it. A strong personal brand will not only attract more followers and customers, but it will also open doors to collaborations, partnerships, and opportunities you never thought possible. Chapter 3. Content is king. Creating videos that convert. Okay, we've covered finding your niche and building your brand. Now it's time to talk about the heart of your online business: content creation. And when I say content, I'm not talking about just throwing any old thing out there and hoping for the best. We're talking about creating high-quality, valuable content that engages your audience, builds trust, and ultimately converts viewers into loyal customers. Now you might be thinking, but Graham, I'm not a professional videographer, I don't have a fancy studio setup. And you know what? That's perfectly fine. The beauty of the internet is that you don't need expensive equipment or a film degree to create amazing content. All you need is a smartphone, some creativity, and a willingness to learn. So what kind of content should you be creating? The answer is simple: content that provides value to your target audience. Think about the problems your audience is facing, the questions they're asking, and the information they're searching for. Can you create a tutorial on how to do something related to your niche? Can you share your expertise and insights on a trending topic? Can you provide valuable tips and tricks that your audience can implement right away? The key is to focus on quality over quantity. It's better to have a few high-quality videos that provide immense value than to churn out a ton of mediocre content that nobody watches. And don't forget about the importance of storytelling. People connect with stories, so don't be afraid to inject some personality into your videos, share your experiences, and make your content relatable. Remember, your goal is to create content that not only informs but also entertains and inspires. Chapter 4. Driving traffic, getting eyes on your content. Alright, you've got your niche, you've built your brand, you're creating killer content. Now the big question is, how do you get people to actually see it? Because let's face it, even the best content in the world won't make you a dime if nobody's watching. This is where traffic comes in. And no, I'm not talking about rush hour on the 405, I'm talking about driving targeted traffic to your content, those eager beavers who are actually interested in what you have to offer. Now there are countless ways to drive traffic online, but let's focus on a few of the most effective strategies. First up, we have SEO, or search engine optimization. This is all about optimizing your content to rank higher in search engine results pages like Google. Think of it like this. When someone searches for information related to your niche, you want your video to be the first thing they see. To achieve this, you'll need to do some keyword research, optimize your video titles and descriptions, and build backlinks to your content. Next, we have social media marketing. With billions of active users, platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok are gold mines for reaching your target audience. Create engaging content specifically for each platform. Utilize relevant hashtags and interact with your followers to build a loyal community. Another powerful strategy is email marketing. Building an email list allows you to directly reach your most engaged followers with exclusive content, promotions, and updates. And finally, don't underestimate the power of collaborations. Partnering with other creators in your niche is a fantastic way to cross-promote your content and tap into new audiences. Remember, driving traffic is an ongoing process. It's about consistently creating valuable content, optimizing it for search engines, and promoting it across multiple channels. Chapter 5. Monetization methods, turning views into dollars. Alright, we've covered a lot of ground. You've found your niche, built your brand, created killer content, and started driving traffic. Now it's time to talk about the part you've all been waiting for, monetization. Because let's be real, we're not just in this for the love of the game, right? We want to see those dollar signs rolling in. The good news is, there are more ways than ever to monetize your online content. One of the most popular methods is through advertising revenue. Platforms like YouTube allow you to monetize your videos by displaying ads before, during, or after your content. The more views and engagement your videos get, the more ad revenue you earn. Another lucrative option is affiliate marketing. This involves partnering with brands and promoting their products or services to your audience. You earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. If you have your own products or services, you can also sell them directly to your audience. This could be anything from ebooks and online courses to physical products and consulting services. And of course, there's always the option of sponsored content. Brands are always looking for influencers and content creators to partner with and promote their products or services to their audience. The key to successful monetization is to choose methods that align with your niche, your audience, and your brand values. Don't be afraid to experiment with different strategies and find what works best for you. Remember, monetizing your content takes time and effort. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with hard work, dedication, and a little bit of creativity, you can turn your passion into a profitable online business. So there you have it, the roadmap to making $500 per day online in 2024. We covered finding your niche, building your brand, creating valuable content, driving traffic, and monetizing your efforts. Remember, this isn't some magic button, it's about putting in the work, staying consistent, and adapting to the ever-changing online landscape. Don't get overwhelmed, start small, take action, and celebrate your wins along the way. This is just the tip of the iceberg. In future videos, I'll be diving deeper into each of these steps, sharing advanced strategies, and revealing even more secrets to online success.